File extensions, those mysterious little sets of letters that seem to be everywhere. You see them every time you download a file, save a document, or even open up a folder. But do you really know what they are and why they matter? In today's video, we'll explore file extensions, what they are, why they matter, and how you can recognize different types of files just by looking at their names. So let's get started. Part 1. What is a file extension? A file extension is a string of characters that is placed at the end of a file name and is separated from the main part of the name by a dot. For example, in the file name report, docx, the extension is "docx". The extension is an essential part of the file name because it provides information about the type of data stored in the file. Different programs and operating systems use different extensions to identify different types of files. For example, Microsoft Word uses the extension docx to identify word processing documents, while Adobe Acrobat uses the extension PDF to identify portable document format files. Part 2. How to see file extensions. By default, some operating systems may not show file extensions when you view files in a file manager. However, you can usually enable this feature if you want to see file extensions. Here's how to do it on different operating systems. On Windows, open File Explorer, go to View and select File Name Extensions. On Mac, open Finder Preferences and check Show All File Name Extensions. On Linux, most file managers already show extensions by default. Part 3. Common file extensions by category. There are thousands of different file extensions out there, but here are some of the most common ones by category to get you started. Documents and text, docx. Word document, XLSX, Excel spreadsheet. PPTX PowerPoint presentation, PDF portable document format, TXT plain text file, images, JPG photo, PNG transparent image, GIF animated picture, SVG scalable vector graphics, audio, MP3 compressed music, WAV high quality audio, FLAC lossless audio, video, MP4 most common. Video format, MKV multiple audio, subtitles, MOV Apple QuickTime, compressed archives, ZIP standard compressed file, RAR WinRAR archive, 7z7 zip format, system and executables, exe Windows program, BAT batch script, SH Linux shell script, web files, HTML web page file, CSS website design style, JS JavaScript file. Part 4. Why extensions matter. Knowing what file extensions mean can help you in several ways. First, it allows you to choose the right program to open a file. For example, if you double-click on a file with the extension MP3, your computer will open that file with a media player since it knows that it's an audio file. Second, it helps you to identify potentially suspicious files before opening them. For example, if you receive an email attachment with an unknown file extension, you can choose not to open it if it looks suspicious. This can help protect you from malware or other security threats. Finally, knowing file extensions can help you stay organized. By knowing what type of files you're dealing with, you can sort and manage your files more efficiently. For example, if you have a folder full of different types of files, you can quickly sort them by file extension to separate the documents from the images, audio files, etc. Overall, understanding file extensions is an essential part of using computers. By knowing what file extensions are and what they mean, you can ensure that you're opening the right files with the right programs, stay safe from potential security threats, and manage your files more efficiently. And now you know how to identify files by their extensions and what the most common ones mean. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.